Good morning, everyone. I'm Debbie Scaggs with the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Office in Pike County. Today we're going to learn how to make a tasty taco salad. This is going to be a layered salad, so we're going to see how pretty it's going to look at the end. You start off with 8 ounces of cooked turkey. Once that has cooked, you want to drain the fat off of it and add 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of cumin. You want to mix it all together, set it aside, and let it cool. I've already done that for us this morning, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I have my ground turkey in, and we're going to start the layer with a head of chopped romaine lettuce. Look how nice and pretty and green that is. Then we're going to add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. And the reason that this may look like more is I have doubled this recipe. And this is one 15-ounce can of black beans, but of course I have doubled the recipe, so there's 2 in here. The recipe also calls for a 15-ounce can of corn. And 1 cup of salsa. Now we're going to sprinkle the cheese on top. Everything tastes better with cheese. Now, doesn't that look tasty and delicious? You can serve this immediately. Serve it with tortilla chips, and if you want to make it even healthier, buy the whole grain tortilla chips. Everyone have a great day.